Parents, please be seated. There are lots of vacant seats. Please sit there.
NASA, we have good news. Our young astronauts from DPS.
Astronauts will try to balance in the zero gravity zone. Parents, come on, cheer for them. Lands the spaceship with the lights. Out come our little aliens, the Jadu friends, to meet us. Parents, please be seated. The children are getting disturbed. These are our babies, so please cooperate. Parents, please move back. The children are getting disturbed from the track. Youngest of them all, prep children. From the Orissa Chow dance, and it also has the mixture of modern jazz.
for us. He speaks the language he knows best, the language of sportsmanship and grit. So let us all give a resounding welcome to our guest of honor, Kapil, the dream of all our hearts. Sir, may I request you to say a few words to inspire your fans.
Once I think these young kids performing so well, they like to perform rather than listen to me. But I must say that I like to first thank all those young kids and the announcer. They spoke so wonderful and so beautiful. Can we clap for those young announcers? So am I. I like to see the same thing. But I like to thank all the teachers who are doing such a wonderful job. Can we clap for them also, please? Any school want to become something in the world, all the credit goes to the management. After that, it goes to credit to the parents because they believe in their work. So I would like, you should appreciate yourself also. You are part of this wonderful organization. I can only talk about parents today because I've been to this school many times and I talk to the young boys and girls. But I can say one thing, only to you parents. I think you had a dream, you fulfill or not, I don't know. But if we can look at in these young kids, what dream they carry, and if we try to see their dream and try to make them fulfill their dream, I think we achieve the goal. I had a dream to play for the country. It's not my parents want me. It is I who want to play for the country. I fulfill my dream. I have a daughter. I never say what she want to become. I always see what she want to take a life about. My job is to give good ethics, good sense, a value in life. Rest, I would never like to see what I want to see and what I want her to become. I may have a dream she become this and that, but I would say what dream she has, I like to make sure I try to fulfill something else. But I can only say, look at yourself. Did you fulfill your dream or not? Let them fulfill the new generation. Because if you have a dream, you will have a passion. If you don't have a passion, you will never can achieve the best in the world. Nothing more than that. I would say you management done a wonderful job. This evening I will carry. I wasn't a great student, but sports day was my favorite day. And all the teachers love me only that day. Rest entire year I get thrashing from the teachers from all corners. I can tell the students only one thing. Never is 100 years back, a word of honor was an important thing. Can you imagine today a piece of paper contract also not honored properly? So the young kids, we have to learn where our parents didn't done well, you have to do well. Where we go wrong, you have to take the country on better side. We need better students. We need committed students because who knows, tomorrow you will be the Prime Minister and you will be the Minister. Your thought process is important. Today, once when you grow up, you will come to know what they have given you. And more to you young boys and girls, I can say you are so fortunate. You are so fortunate you are getting our education like that in such a wonderful school. Can you imagine 1,000 and millions of kids want to get this type of education, you don't get it. So you must say to your parents, they are trying to give you the best education. Don't take things for granted. It is your destination is important. With the support of teachers and the parents, we would like to help you along to become something. Don't waste your life. Have a dream, try to fulfill your dream. If you have no dream, it's a waste of life. I had a dream, I become something. Good luck to you. You should have a dream. Thank you very much. No autograph. Sorry, I know there are a lot of young boys and girls want an autograph. I can only say one thing. I always say, never take autograph like that. You must believe in a person. In my life, I only take an autograph from 3 people. Only 3 people, kids. You understand. If you really believe the person, take autograph. Otherwise, don't become because other kids taking, you are taking. When you make your hero, he should be really hero, not for a sake of it. I take an autograph of 3 people in my life. One was G.R. Vishwanath. He was my cricketing hero. Second, Nelson Mandela. I think he's one of the finest person I met. And the third was Mother Teresa. These 3 people I have an autograph, I cherish. So I would say only, you should take an autograph. It really mean to you. Otherwise, taking autograph, putting in a dustbin after a couple of years, make no sense. So I'm not saying, make your hero, pick your hero. Don't make your hero like that. Is that right? So today is their day. Let's enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. The principal, the captain of the ship, the torchbearer, helping DPS surge ahead with pride, confidence, and elan is Dr. Mrs. Shama Chona. Self-empowerment is her constant appeal to us students, striving to be individuals in our own rights and competition with only ourselves and attempting to outmatch our own achievements is what she deeply believes in. At the risk of sounding we request you, ma'am, to please highlight the spirit of healthy competition as the sports day amply signifies.
Ladies and gentlemen, I begin saying what I feel like by requesting you to stand up and give a standing ovation to our chief guest, Mr. Kapil Dev, with a loud applause. My duty today is to thank you profusely. You are a national celebrity. You were a national celebrity and you remain one. There can never be one in doubt about that. Thank you once again. And thank you, Suresh, member of the DPS PURAM Managing Committee, for bringing him here. Ladies and gentlemen, young parents, grandparents, aunts, uncles, staff members, and my most loving children, I stand here with a bowed head. I bow to Mrs. Shobha Banerjee for her hard work and unrelenting spirit to bring us all together here. Togetherness is loving, and loving is unity, and unity is DPS. Puram, Basant Vihar, east of Kailash and infant school. I bow my head to all the staff members. I bow my head to all the little children who give us a cause to live. And above all, I bow my head to all the parents and grandparents present here. For their parents, you mean so much to us. Sometimes we wonder if we could do anything alone. But let me remind you, my gurus are your children, and I hope your gurus also will be your children and
Mubarak, Mubarak.
I want to make them realize to
Ele पहाड़ बुझाए से बात कर दी। नहीं नहीं पिस्तौल कर। हो जाओगे।